Are you there in the class, Sissy?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are there so many people, Beta?
Actually, I was
You
out
have
of town, that's why.
because you prefer attending your classes when you're traveling. Connection तो सब जगह मिल ही जाता है, unless until you are into some villages or something. So 11:30 years. Who all went to the chapter? Who all went through the chapter? When I ask you these questions, then you keep quiet ना मुझे समझ आ जाएगा मतलब कोई nobody started anything. So shall we wait for the students to join in? Naman, any new joint ventures or PC you have found? Netik, Devanskar, am I audible? Am I audible, everyone? Can someone reply me back? फिर रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं हम? हाँ जी. Any three P3 activities you all have found? Anyone? Okay. What are we going to do in the class today? Okay, open your books to page number 129. Everyone, 139, sorry. Everyone on page number 139. In case you can on your cameras, it will be more good when I'm asking questions. I know how. In case you can on your cameras, everyone. I'm just going to start with we have finished chapter number 3. Okay. Before starting with this, let me just take your 5 minutes now. See, this screen comes little. Okay, is the screen visible to everyone? Is the whiteboard visible to everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before starting with the next chapter, let me just give you an overview of the next chapter. That is a little introduction to the chapter, what we are going to study in the next chapter. Whatever we read in the first chapter, if you remember, we read about primary industries, we studied about secondary industries, we studied about tertiary industries, and even under commerce, we had studied aids or auxiliaries to trade. Remember, everyone?
Yes.
aids or auxiliaries to trade. That is what we have read in. So you should remember what all aids we use in trade. What are the other services which we use, or let's take an example, talk about what are the business services which we use in business, without which, such services without which the business is not possible. Business cannot be conducted without banking sector. Business houses, be it a small business or be it a very big business house, none of the business can work without insurance. Business services cannot be conducted without warehouses. Business cannot be conducted without communication. Communication can be it can be postal communication, it can be telecommunication. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you conduct a business without these all services? No. Now, why do we need banking services? Because none of the business or the entrepreneurs are in a position to finance their own business or provide the necessary capital which is required for this. Be it small entrepreneurs or young entrepreneurs who enter into business. Be it large business houses like the steel manufacturing house, or sugar industry, or paper industry, any type of industry. Even if you see online businesses, let's take an example of Amazon, Flipkart. None of the business houses are in a position to finance their own business themselves. They need money. From where is the money going to be arranged? It's the banks which provide them the necessary funds. It can be through various services the banking sector provides us. So what are we going to read in banking sector? Banking services. We are going to read about different type of accounts. Then we are going to read about different types of services. जैसे जिसको हम कहते हैं electronic services which the banks provide. जिसको हम कहते हैं electronically how can the money be transferred from one place to another. Right, like we have, अगर किसी ने सुना हो RTGS, हम फीस का जब मैसेज आता है स्कूल की तरफ से नीचे लिखा होता है the money can be deposited through RTGS and NEFT, ट्रांसफर करवा दीजिए. So electronic fund transfer we are going to do RTGS and NEFT here. Then we are going to study about other digital methods of payment, जैसे credit card and debit card, ATM. Then other digital banks, that is
Net banking.
net banking. Net banking we are going to read in this. Banking sector. So under the chapter business services, which is chapter number 4, हम अलग अलग services पढ़ने वाले हैं. Banking में this is all we are going to do. And in insurance, what are we going to read? This is going to be very, very interesting chapter, students. Insurance, we are going to read about life insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, and the last is we are going to read about health insurance. But not in much detail. It's going to be a short chapter. There are there, but we are not going to take up all. Or ये marine, fire or health insurance, they are also only one paragraph. Life insurance may be also, it's very short. And then under insurance, we are going to read the main principles of insurance. Insurance में main principles क्या हैं? So insurance says that it starts with principle of utmost good faith. कि आप इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से कुछ छुपाओ मत. Principle of indemnity, principle of contribution, principle of subrogation. That is different principles of insurance. We are going to read on that. I'm going to talk to sir in case I can get someone to talk to you over these cases. जो कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में काम कर रहा होगा. In case I have someone known, so somebody will talk over it, but I'll have to take permission from sir first. So whenever we do insurance. Okay. So other than this, क्योंकि कोई भी बिजनेस हाउस बिना इंश्योरेंस के नहीं चलेगा बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलवेज रिस्क इन्वॉल्व इन बिजनेस. सो इंश्योरेंस पे आ रही है. द नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इज वेयरहाउसेस. Warehousing facilities. Now when you're manufacturing, you do not manufacture or you do not produce when the order has been placed. The business units cannot stand in idle. You cannot put them out of work. But when they keep on producing, the sale is not simultaneously. They have to store the goods somewhere. So for storage of goods, we use the facility called warehousing, so that the goods are available at a convenient time and at an easy place. Now, let's take an example. We have, I will talk about, there are bonded warehouses. जो कि सिर्फ पोर्ट पे होते हैं warehouses. जब आप एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट करते हो वहाँ पे बॉन्डेड वेयरहाउसेस यूज होते हैं. गवर्नमेंट वेयरहाउसेस होते हैं, जैसे एफसीआई के अपने गोडाउन्स होते हैं, दे कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट वेयरहाउसेस. देयर आर प्राइवेट कंपनीज के अपने वेयरहाउसेस हैं. और if you want to read something, read about modern warehouses these days. और सबसे बेस्ट मॉडर्न वेयरहाउसिंग पढ़ना हो, डू यू नो किसका पढ़ना चाहिए? एनी आइडिया, एनीवन? Read about Amazon modern warehouse. Amazon is the best one. If you, I saw some videos how Amazon is even coming up. That is also, but what Amazon is doing, I see Google's also today. What Amazon is doing, it is bringing these robots for the entire management. So that is very, sometimes when you see it, like where is India comparatively to all this? So other than warehouses, so we are going to read about different types of warehousing and the functions of warehouses provide. That is what we are going to study in warehousing. Then under communication, that is again a very important. We are, see, हम किसी से जब तक buyer seller आपस में किसी, am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible? Okay. See, बिजनेस हाउसेज आपने, अगर हम सिर्फ इंटरनल ट्रेड की बात करें, एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड की बात नहीं करते. इंटरनल ट्रेड में द होलसेलर्स एंड रिटेलर्स, द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, दे हैव टू कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर इन ऑर्डर टू प्लेस ऑर्डर्स. डू यू थिंक कि जो होलसेलर है एवरी टाइम ही हैज टू गो एंड विजिट द मैन्युफैक्चरर? उनकी फैक्ट्रीज बेस्ड हैं वेस्ट बंगाल में. डू यू थिंक दे विल गो एवरी टाइम देयर? नो. We will be taking up those also. We are even taking up courier services here. We are taking, yes, WhatsApp, email, yes, we will be taking up everything. So in telecom, when it says postal, when we do it postal, then we say कि government बहुत कुछ provide कर रही है, postal department है. But other than that, we have courier services now, which are better in a position like Blue Dart, which is one of the fastest services. Yes. So many are there. We are going to do our research work on these courier services. So telecom services may, like the traders, they have to communicate with each traders, they have to communicate with each other. Then when you have to communicate in order to place your orders, the wholesalers, the retailers, they do that. And even in export import, you don't have to go every time in case you are doing business with an African country or a European country. You don't go and place it. Everything happens through these services, communication, email system. The only thing you do is you send them the samples through the courier, and then the final orders are being placed. We have emails here, we have other, WhatsApp is very quick now these days. We are going to all take up in it. So other than this, when I say communication, sorry, I couldn't get you. Yes, not telecom, but under communication. Under communication. And other than this, why do we need communication services? For advertising the product. For advertising. You have manufactured your product, मगर आप customer तक जब पहुंचोगे ही नहीं, उनको पता ही नहीं आप क्या बना रहे हो, तो how are your products going to be put in the market and sold? So advertising आप कैसे कर रहे हो? TV के through, newspaper के through. So they are also modes of communicating to the public. So this is the overview of the chapter, what we are going to study in the next chapter. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes.
This chapter is going to be very, very interesting in case we take it only research-based and activity-based. सब अगर फील्ड वर्क कर सकते हो तो कोरियर सर्विसेज दो कोरियर कंपनीज दे सकते हो, डेटा कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. Amazon का person when he comes to deliver at your place, just ask him how many packages he delivers every day. So this is how you can collect your data on this. Anyway, so is it clear, everyone? The overview of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the introductory part. So from Tuesday, Monday I'll take your test. Tuesday, we'll just start directly from banking service. Should I do 139 page exercises now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Should I take up this chapter number 3 exercises now?
Yes.
I know. मैं तो चाहती हूँ तुम लोग अपने आप कर लो because the answers of this. So I was asking you on your camera so that I can ask you directly. Yes, everyone. Bhavya, Utkarsh, Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी उत्कर्ष, ट्यूसडे आ रहे हो ना स्कूल?
I don't know, ma'am.
Right. Okay. चलो उत्कर्ष, बुक मत खोलना. I'll ask you. So each one of you two questions. I'll just see whether the concept of the chapter is clear with you, and then you complete the back exercises, the case studies, and watch yourself. And Monday is your assessment of this. Tuesday the chapter. ठीक है? उत्कर्ष ठीक है? Ready to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो उत्कर्ष आपसे स्टार्ट करें. बुक बंद कर दो अपने आप. Utkarsh, what is the name of the organization which is formed as a result of partnership between two companies, two or more companies?
Ma'am, JVs, which is full form joint ventures.
Very good, Utkarsh. Thank you so much. Next question. Give an example of statutory corporation.
Ma'am, which corporation?
Statutory, public corporation.
Uh, Ma'am, GAIL.
Statutory, statute से जो बनता है public corporation.
Ma'am, I
नहीं, उत्कर्ष की बारी चल रही है. हाँ जी उत्कर्ष. उत्कर्ष लॉ बनाकर जो चलता है, जो जिसके लिए स्पेशल पार्लियामेंट एक लॉ बनाती है.
Ma'am, I don't remember.
सोचो सोचो. ओके, गवर्नमेंट कंपनी का नाम. उत्कर्ष,
Yes, ma'am.
because you couldn't answer the second question, इसलिए आपके लिए एक और क्वेश्चन है. नेम अ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी.
Ma'am, government company. SAIL.
हाँ, फुल फॉर्म बताओ आप.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Salt Association of Salt Association India Limited.
क्या एसोसिएशन?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
गैस अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड. वो तो ऑनलाइन तो मैं चेक कर ही लूंगी, मुझे भी आता है. उसका इट इज गैस अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, व्हाट मेक्स इट अ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी? गवर्नमेंट कंपनी को गवर्नमेंट कंपनी क्यों कहा जाता है?
मैम बिकॉज उनके पास उसकी पूरी अथॉरिटी होती है एंड लाइक दे ओनली प्रोवाइड द कैपिटल एंड
कितने परसेंट कैपिटल?
51.
51% capital is provided by the public capital. It is held by the government. Okay. So, which company operates in more than one country? Utkarsh.
Sorry, ma'am, I
Which,
didn't.
com- which company operates in more than one country or one nation? एक nation से ज़्यादा
Ma'am,
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. हाँ,
multinational companies.
multinational company. Okay. Last question to you, Utkarsh. The government company buys shares in whose name? किसके नाम पे shares खरीदती है सरकार?
Ma'am, the government buys shares on the company's name, like on the if it is of GAIL, so
अरे
they.
मगर सरकार किसके नाम पे शेयर खरीदेगी?
Sorry.
प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ
Oh, President India.
ओके. चलो, थैंक यू सर. समरीत. समरीत.
Yes, ma'am.
समरीत, can I start? Your turn. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samrit, give me a name of a public corporation.
Ma'am, RBI or SBI?
Okay, can you give me a name, the full form?
State Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India.
Okay. Samrit, the next question goes to you. What type of public sector enterprise will be adopted where national security is concerned? What type of public sector enterprise will be considered better? National security involved. समरीत. अच्छा, सिर्फ ये बताओ, पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन खोल लेंगे उसके लिए या डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग या गवर्नमेंट कंपनी?
Departmental.
Yes, departmental undertaking. Can you give me an example of departmental undertaking?
Ma'am, is it Indian Railways?
I couldn't get you. Somebody repeat it again.
Ma'am, LICs.
नहीं बेटा, LIC तो अभी आपने बताया ना, पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन है सर. समरीत, which has been created by an act of the parliament.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
National security is concerned.
Ma'am, वो Indian Railways.
Defense, armed forces, right? ठीक है
Yes,
समरीत?
ma'am.
Okay. Maruti Suzuki works in association, the two companies. What type of association is that?
JVs.
JV. What does JV stand for?
Joint venture.
Okay. Okay, Reliance, is it a public sector or a private sector enterprise?
Private.
क्यों बोला? समरीत की टर्न थी. Okay, चलो. Naman sir. Thank you, Samreet. Okay, Naman. What do you mean by subsidiaries? When I say subsidiary company, what do you mean by subsidiaries? I get this. Okay, then let's take an example. मेरी एक कंपनी है. Okay, this is my company and there is another company. Let's take an example. Company B है. तो कंपनी B मेरी सब्सिडरी है. उसको सब्सिडरी कब कहा जाएगा मेरी? Majority of the directors of that subsidiary company are nominated by my company. One. Second thing can be when majority of the shares are held by the company. Okay. Yes, Naman. Give me an example of a government company. Okay, reconstruction of 6 public sector units is taken up by when we have to reconstruction. When I did for public sector, अगर आपको याद हो आज से जब हमने ये चैप्टर शुरू किया था, I had done कि गवर्नमेंट ने 1991 में रूल बनाया था कि 6 यूनिट्स को वो रिवाइव करने की कोशिश करेंगे पहले, मतलब उनको ठीक करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उनको बंद करने से पहले विल ट्राई टू रिवाइव them. But there was a board constructed for the revival of those 6 units. What is that board called? It is called BIFR, Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. तो वो बोर्ड का काम क्या था? To revive the 6 units, right? Okay. So the next question is, what was the policy adopted in 1991? Which policy was adopted? Yes. LPG. What does LPG stand for? Okay, perfect. Can you state 2 advantages of departmental undertaking? कोई भी दो, किसी की भी बता दो, गवर्नमेंट कंपनी की, स्टैट्यूटरी की. Okay, that is a merit. Yes, it is accountable to the government. Okay, so government and the undertaking are considered same entities. Okay. What is the demerit of a statutory corporation? Demerit of a statutory corporation. अगर हम एक्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली काम करते हैं या एक बॉडी क्रिएट कर दी, उसका सबसे बड़ा डीमेरिट क्या होगा? Unki powers are limited. Whatever is laid down in the act, they have to work in accordance with the provisions laid down in that. Right? So, thank you, Naman. Yes, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
ONGC is an example of
क्या?
ONGC, that is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India. It is an example of
Government company.
सोचिए. It is a statutory corporation. Okay. LIC is an example of.
Statutory corporation.
Okay. FCI is an example of Food Corporation of India.
ये भी statutory corporation.
Steel Authority of India is an example of Steel Authority of India
Government
Limited.
company.
Government company. Okay. How are government companies made accountable, Mohit?
मैम उन्हें अपने फाइनेंशियल जो भी होता है वो फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट साल के एंड में प्रेजेंट करनी पड़ती है पाले.
So the report has to be filed. Yes.
मैम ये
Okay.
याद रखना है सेक्शन.
नहीं नहीं उसको याद है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो हाँ या एक्स्ट्रा सिर्फ तुम्हारी नॉलेज के लिए है, जिसको याद है ठीक है, नहीं तो एग्जाम में आई विल नॉट असेस अकॉर्डिंग टू की जिसने लिखा है, और नीदर विल आई ट्रैक योर मार्क्स और नीदर आई गिव एन एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स फॉर दैट. दैट इज परफेक्टली ओके. मोहित, when I say Samsung company is an example of.
MNC.
Okay, if I say McDonald's,
ये भी MNC.
or if I say Starbucks India,
ये जॉइंट वेंचर.
or if I say Vistara Airlines,
ये भी जॉइंट वेंचर.
and if I say Kundali Expressway,
क्या?
Kundali Expressway, that is an expressway. It goes from Haryana till.
PPP मॉडल.
It is a P3, right? It is a public-private partnership. Okay. What is the biggest demerit of a joint venture?
मैम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकते हैं क्योंकि किसी के पास भी पूरी पावर नहीं होती है.
So, power to take decisions, वहाँ पे conflict आ सकते हैं. Okay. Yes, thank you, Mohit. Yes, Khushi, will you answer? Khushi, आप answer करोगे?
I am not prepared.
प्रिपेयर्ड आप, हमने कोई टेस्ट नहीं आज वो किया था, सिर्फ हम बैक एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस करने वाले थे, मगर हमने इस तरह डिस्कस कर लिया. यस देवांश, हिले बिफोर I said Devan's name, हिले. So, okay. Any doubt in this chapter? Otherwise, I'll end the class. Anyone, any doubt? Read the chapter, everyone. Anyone, any doubt? Devansh, will you answer better? Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आप you had left. I think by mistake you had left. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Devan. If I say Hyundai, it is an example of what type of enterprise?
Ma'am, MNC.
Okay. If I say Adani Group is an example of? Adani Group, Fortune Oil, Green Energy. पब्लिक है या प्राइवेट सेक्टर है? देवांश, पब्लिक है प्राइवेट सेक्टर है?
Ma'am, private.
यस प्राइवेट. आप म्यूट मत करो अपने आप को, कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं आ रही है आपके पीछे से, वहाँ से प्लीज अनम्यूट करो देवांश. ओके, सो आई लास्ट की क्वेश्चन क्विकली सो दैट यू आंसर. टाटा इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ?
Ma'am, MNC.
टाटा पब्लिक और प्राइवेट?
Private.
Okay, Coca-Cola is an example of?
Private.
Okay, is it a public sector enterprise or is it a global enterprise?
Ma'am, global.
Okay, what is the definition? Why do you say that this company is a global enterprise या multinational company किसको कहते हैं?
मैम जो दो से या ज्यादा कंट्रीज में वर्क करे.
ओके जो अपने जिस कंट्री में इनकॉर्पोरेटेड है उसके अलावा किसी बाकी कंट्रीज में भी काम करती है लाइक यू आर रजिस्टर्ड हियर इन दिस कंट्री इन केस यू ऑपरेट इन अदर कंट्रीज एज वेल दैट कंपनी विल बी कॉल्ड एज एमएनसी. ओके कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्टैट्यूटरी कॉर्पोरेशन देवांश? स्टैट्यूट से वर्ड आ जाता है लॉ बनाकर कौन सी ऐसी कॉर्पोरेशन है जिसके लिए अलग से लॉ बनाया जाता है?
मैम SBI.
एसबीआई और आरबीआई नहीं इसके अलावा बताओ एक और नाम.
Air India.
Air India. Okay. Any other which you remember? बोले नमन. LIC. इसके अलावा you can have thousands
SEBI.
of names. Yes, SEBI. Okay. Yes, Devansh. Devansh, can you give me an example of a department? UGC comes under that. Then there are bodies which are created under UGC then. See, UGC is a special act which has been created by the government of India. That is the University Grant Commission. And for schools also they have created a body which is not CBSE. The name of the body is different. Then these bodies have been created under that act. So they have the power to create bodies under them as well. Yes, it will be a statutory corporation. क्योंकि see that. No, you'll have to check. Even if we have an education ministry as that. No, it is a statutory corporation. Yes, we have act. Yes, we have act on this. So it's a statutory corporation which manages the affairs and give me one minute. Just I'll ask two more questions to Devan so that he doesn't go unanswered. Give me 2 minutes. Yes, Devan. Devan, public limited company. I repeat the word. Public limited company comes under which sector? Private sector, joint sector, or public sector, or PPP? पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी है कोई भी पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी को हम क्या कहते हैं कि वो प्राइवेट सेक्टर के अंदर आती है पब्लिक सेक्टर के अंदर या जॉइंट सेक्टर के या P3 में?
PPP.
नो पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी. Public limited company is any company which raises capital from the market, from the people.
Private.
Private sector. It comes under private sector. Okay, Devansh, Metro. Mumbai Metro is which form of an enterprise? Devansh, Mumbai Metro. P3. Yes, Naman. हाँ जी पूछिए. Thank you, Naman. कितना आपने आंसर किया? Thank you. Please read the chapter. हाँ जी, Naman. Yes. नेपाल के साथ हमारे अलग से कुछ एग्रीमेंट्स हैं. That is in case of RTGS and NEFT. But yes, it will be considered as a multinational company. But where is the company registered? अदरवाइज नेपाल के साथ हमारे कुछ अलग से एग्रीमेंट्स चलते हैं, लाइक इन द केस ऑफ आरटीजीएस एंड नेफ्ट इट कैन बी वेरी क्विकली डन इन द केस ऑफ नेपाल ऑल्सो, बट yes it will be a multinational company. Yes, anyone else?
नो मैम।
बहुत सारी सब्सिडीज मिलती हैं उनको बहुत बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं जब मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी अप्रोच करती है गवर्नमेंट को कि हम सेटअप
स्पेशल
करना
इकोनॉमिक
चाहते
जोन
हैं।
बनाए जाते हैं उनके लिए।
हाँ, SEZ है, एंड देन उनको बहुत स्टार्टिंग में उनको टैक्स रिबेट्स मिलते हैं, उनको टैक्स जिसको हम टैक्स हॉलीडेज भी कहते हैं, एंड देन दे हैव बेनिफिट, दे गेट लैंड एट अ चीपर रेट इन केस दे आर सेटिंग अप इन सर्टन एरियाज जहाँ सरकार नहीं पहुँच पाती है, जैसे बैकवर्ड एरियाज में अगर मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज क्या करती हैं, दे ट्राई टू फोकस, दे ट्राई टू सर्च सच एरियाज जहाँ उनको लगता है कि हमें लैंड सस्ते में मिल जाएंगे। They are obviously very influenced in a position of they have great capital available with them. So, मगर जहाँ बचा सकते हैं, they try to do that. If they'll take up land somewhere in Delhi and Mumbai, it will shoot up the rate. मगर अगर वो कहीं imagine करते हैं कि हम तमिलनाडु के कुछ backward areas में खोल देते हैं अपना प्लान, तो उनके लिए easy है। उसके अलावा उनको they find certain areas जहाँ उनको raw material easily मिल जाए, ज़्यादा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़े। फिर एनवायरनमेंट में उनको लगता है वो ऐसी कंट्रीज टारगेट करते हैं जहाँ एनवायरनमेंट की पॉलिसीज इतनी रिजिड नहीं है। इंडिया में नाउ द लॉज आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ। पहले ऐसे ही करती थी कंपनीज की, उनको लगता था कि इंडिया में कौन सा कोई चेक करने वाला। चलो, दिस इज हैपेंड, व्हाट हैपेंड इन भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी केस इन 1984। यूनियन कार्बाइड केस पढ़ा है ना शायद आपने 8th-9th स्टैंडर्ड में। That was a multinational company which was dealing in methyl isocyanate. जब गैस लीक हुई तो दे ट्राई टू evade their responsibility, उन्होंने कहा हमारी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं। मगर it was a multinational company. The person who owned that company, he ran back to America. Before the judgment was given, he actually died, and the name of the person was Sam Anderson. और वहाँ अगर किसी ने भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी केस पढ़ा हो तो वहाँ द चिल्ड्रन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 years they were born with deformity. तो वहाँ के लोगों को कंपनसेशन की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, और जितना लॉस वहाँ हो उसके कंपैरेटिवली कंपनसेशन तो मिली नहीं। मगर इसलिए देन लेटर ऑन द लॉज वर मेड मोर स्ट्रिक्टर इवन फॉर कि ये मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से भागे नहीं, और इसलिए इनके इनकॉर्पोरेशन के रूल्स थोड़े से स्ट्रिक्ट हैं देन नॉर्मल कंपनी। जो हमने फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ कंपनी पढ़ा है उसके कंपैरेटिवली दीज मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज हैव लॉन्ग मच लेंथियर प्रोसेस व्हेन दे हैव टू सेट अप इन अदर कंट्रीज। They are called foreign companies and they are governed by Companies Act 2013. Okay. Anything else, anyone?
नो।
Anyone? Ultimately, even if we think कि दो questions I'll ask and then we leave the class, it doesn't happen. 12:15 हो ही जाते हैं. So, okay. So in case no doubt, we take up the class on Monday. If I am able to prepare my Google form, अगर Google form नहीं बनेगा, किसी चैप्टर का मैंने Google form नहीं प्लान किया था, मैंने वर्कशीट प्लान की थी, that was for 3 chapters I was about to take a subjective paper, but you people dropped that idea. तो अगर Google form बन गया ठीक है, otherwise I will start with the chapter, right?
यस।
Okay, okay then. So see you on Monday online. Bye bye everyone.
थैंक यू मैम।
Bye everyone. Bye.